I'm going to give you 7 tips how to maintain your computer and make it run better. Starting right now. Watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end. Tip number 1. Change your power options on your laptop to high performance. Tip number 2, remove all startup programs in msconfig on Windows 7. These are programs running in the background and using up your memory. How to do this? You go to Runbox, you type in mscomfig, that's msconfig, hit OK. On the next screen, go to the Startup tab, click Startup tab, uncheck all the boxes except for your antivirus, hit apply and OK, and restart your computer. On Windows 10, what you got to do is go to the control panel. Windows 10, you right click on the taskbar and you click on Task Manager. And when you get to Task Manager, you look at all the programs running and stop the ones running that you don't want to run in the background. Tip number 3 is remove unwanted programs in the control panel. On Windows 7, in the control panel, go to Add Remove Programs, look in your list, remove any programs you no longer use or don't want. In Windows 10, go to the control panel and go to Features and Programs and do the same thing. Highlight and uninstall any programs you don't need. Tip number 4 is clear your cache to remove temporary files. And the way to do that is on Windows 10, type in the search box, temp, go to the temps, remove all the temps, go back to the run box and type in prefetch, prefetch, delete all the files you find there, and also go back to the run box and type in temp percentage, hit go or OK, and then delete all the files, temporary files you find there. On Windows 7, you can run CCleaner to do that. That's a good program that'll clear everything out. Tip number 5. Run Malwarebytes program, free version. That's a great program. Do it once a month, once a week, or whenever you think you have viruses or any type of infections. Tip number 7 is clean desktop fans with compressed air and clean laptop fans also. So make sure the computer is not running unplugged. If it's a desktop, open up the side panel, hold the fan with one hand so it doesn't spin, and shake the compressed air and just clean the fans. And if you have to do it by hand or with a towel, paper towel or something, do it that way. Just clean all the dust off the fans and the dust in the case. On a laptop, you can get something really small. If you see dust by the side where the fan is, clean some of that off also. That's a very important thing to keep your computer running cooler. And then on your desktop, if there's any dust on the inside the case, clean that off too. And on the components, clean it off too. And for the final bonus tip, make sure you use CCleaner at the very end. After you use Malwarebytes, use CCleaner. It's a free program. Download it. It's called CCleaner, CCleaner, and run that, and that'll clean a bunch of things off the computer also, which are all temporary things. So I hope you get value from this. If it helps you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Click the bell icon That way you don't miss any other videos. And also check out some of my other videos. I have a lot of videos that will help you with your computer. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave them below, or any computer related issues. Thanks for watching. This is Mike at MSL Computer Service. I'll see you in the next video.